Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share files outside of your organization within the Google Drive app on Android. This has been driving me nuts for ages, and I'm glad I finally found a solution, and I just want to share it with you guys. Really quick video, I promise. So this is the photo I want to share. It's a photo of me and my friend Adam. We run a live stream every Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. GMT, and we talk anything and everything to do with photography, cameras, editing, etc. So if I wanted to share this photo with Adam, I'd click on the three little dots in the top right hand corner, and then I'd click share. Now the problem with this is that when I type in Adam's email address, he's going to have to request access in order to see that file, and it's one extra step in the process. So in order to bypass that step, I'm going to press those three little dots again, and then I'm going to click on who has access, and then we're going to click on change, and we're going to change it from my company to anyone with the link. Now if we press the link button in the top right hand corner, that link is now copied to our clipboard, and we can share it with whoever we like. They don't have to be inside the organization. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're an iPhone user and you want to see the same video but for iOS, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll put it together for you. Thanks for watching. See you again really soon.